Amaraga bengi ya umwanchu muligereria litukoneria Jumapili chitariki ne 25 omutie nyo gatano na gatatu omwaka bwechiri wibere na 2022 enga kibono omolikyo monene bwe kyombe gosebwe kyama gya Jubilee Raphael Tuju anyareko baka okwana nabalikia mangana imeyo mochio Nairobi igoronga kia korekanete ali asamaga cha Bomas of Kenya na ende nkia manyete chinga kinere enyorire aseki na igoro yobochori ekikegenderete ase Supreme Court ose ekigambero ekenene ngochitore koretero roboti oruo asenchira yobo ikiranu gekoraga ensa eyemo yabono botuko chinga kiboigo ekyombe kyobochori ne chimbebe IEBC ye ikiranirie emirobelyo yonsi bosyo bobochori bonene gose bosyo bobochori obokorekana ase chi constituency inye asense ya Kenya ali asobochori botaikiranete naboigo ase chi gose chi county ibere abwase ekerogo kyobo governor kianyartko bagetachori gosobochori botaikiraneti onsi aikiranire asobochori obogokorekana litkolia ankyo ayo ngati yali na kwariganirie Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenge na umokogendera gotobwatia wetera se mitandao yaito ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na baigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na inde nabogo tweet @Ndizi TV News kwira nande asegeke kekerbosyo egeranko manye ayomona yanda mange asenchira yobwenge. Nche ni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita no liatokobwatera na komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joushua Auta ekero toko ya chaka koro ase county ya Kisii ase skuru yabamura ya Kisii abwa sabo obisa koro ase kyombe kia Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC kobwatera na ne wizara yechisemi bachakire bene umorobelyo bokorwa maigerio yechimbwa chingia gocha saborokiwa korwa se chiskuru choboroso ne chiskuru secondary abwasa bobisabwo baragwa na oyo tenenerete ekyombekyo aseleta Vincent Okongo oyo tebire omorobelyo yono chegochakiwa boigo ase chi county ao asense ya Kenya.
My name is Vincent Okongo, Director Preventive Services, EACC, Nairobi. With me is Mr. Otiko, who is the Deputy Director in charge of the South Nyanza Regional Office. Today is a very important occasion in the school calendar and indeed the fight against corruption and promotion of integrity in our country. The EACC, in collaboration with the Ministry of Education, has a program of integrity clubs which are set up across all primary and secondary schools in this country. The main objective of integrity clubs is to develop good character among our young people and to promote them and to promote integrity not only among the young people but also in schools. So today we have a forum that brings together a number of schools in Kisii County, Migori County, Homa Bay and Nyamira. And the intention is for the integrity club members who are students and also their patrons to share experiences on how they are managing these integrity clubs, what measures have they taken to promote integrity in schools, and what challenges are they facing, which we can address as the EACC and also as the school managers in this part of the region. We will be replicating this kind of a forum across the country to ensure that all schools in our country are able to share best practices in nurturing integrity and character development among our people, our young people.
Nigo baigo abarokiwa au baikira naso umorobelyo yo banyarko bakogokera umorobelyo bwelitskolia rero abwase batebire banyorire obumanyi obonge ngana kibagwanerete komenya samatwari bosyo nende nakibarache gokonyense ya Kenya chinga kibara babaraiba ankyo wetera chinchira chokomenya ne chimbwa chingia.
Integrity club as students, especially I'll be specific as Nduru Girls High School. From this integrity club we have learned a lot. We have learned on how to deal with corruption in this country, and also we have learned how to be future leaders. You know, they say that integrity starts with you. So if I myself personally, I start by being an integrity person, it will be easy for me to know how to stop corruption. So as the club of Ndoro Girls High School, we have really benefited from this, and we have learned how to deal with the entire corruption in Kenya. And when we become leaders, it will be easy for us to at least ease this challenge of corruption.
Magega yogotianiwa kwa babarai be kaunti ya Kisii wananigo omokonyi bwomo governor Dr. Robert Monda kubwaterana n'ababwatani bande banyarakoba bagochena na gusivya echiro ya Keumbu unenjere ya moyo korusia eubi nombo chabu obwanyarikoba bogochanda bamenye nabonchoreria kurwa ase echire yogo kwana emambe abono chingaki baikirania omorobulio yo Dr. Monda nigate abirba gucha kogenderera enchirenga muneyo ase chichiro chonsi ime county ya Kisii ele kwene kyabuna obochenu bwairwe libagali tangani asa bonchoreria.
We have been going around the county and we have found that most or all our urban centers have a challenge, have a problem of accumulated waste from our farm produce, waste that is supposed to be cleared out of the urban centers, and this has remained a challenge in many towns. But this morning, I decided as a deputy governor to start my first day of working this Sunday morning, that I will have to stand here and ensure that Keumbu market has no waste dump remaining here, decomposing with all the smell. Yet our traders are working here every day. We have started here and we must clean all our urban centers. This one will be cleaned by the end of the day. So we shall be happy when it is done. We are sad that our people have remained in this kind of situation over the many days that this waste has remained here without attention.
Nigo boigo Dr. Monda anyarako baga kuruye kulege tindi gocha sabakoli meremo be county ya Kisii abwasa tebirebuna chinga kicheikire kero mokoli meremo anyarako bakago ikirania emeremo yaye asenchira yobo ikirano anyatali boigo mbache kwimukeliwa egetambokero egetindi kelichiko asabaiga tebire bacha kiremeremo bene ere amono mo governor we county ya Kisii kwene kyabuna bamenyi bonsi konyora bare obokoreri asenchira yobotoere rukigima.
People who are officials with different assignments in the entire county. If you are a doctor, be on your job, treat patients. If you are the one in charge of providing drugs in the hospital, we want drugs in the hospital. And if you are in charge of providing water, let's have water. And so we have different departments giving different types of services. We are doing this today in Keumbu. We shall be in all the urban centers in the days to come. Today we are here, tomorrow we shall be somewhere. I know the Governor Honorable Simbarati was in Kisii the day before yesterday, which is Friday, and he was touring and seeing what is going on. We are not about to stop. We shall be doing this for the next 5 years. So everyone must be alert. Our staff in the county, my call to you, please do your duties. If you have an assignment of ensuring cleanliness in whichever part of this county, do it. There are many people who do it when you don't. And when the governor or the deputy comes to do it, then you know you are surrendering your job. We look for somebody else who is willing to do what you can't do. Make the loudest noise about whoever is hindering you from doing your job. We shall keep our offices open. Someone who does not work, please start working if you have not been working.
Chinga kiecho nere Wilfred Bosire oyoro munyakonda se county ya Kisii nigairo koboko enganejo ya Dr. Monda abwasanya ariko bagakobolia abaonia bechiro ya Keumbu koene kyabuna nkogendereria vale konyebeka ebenchenu magega yogo sibigwa emambe yabono
obi koranje kurera karo cyombe osibigwa anyago cyabororo ubwato obeka hamo nande obeka asari yaborusibwe umweshimu wa David Governor ateba nga kirarituko bari bakora mu Mose County ba make sure kurera mu cyona ko murabu uteka ko murabu na bari mukora temesimo konya chimbane mwatikanga.
Omorai wekiama kiazimio la umoja One Kenya Raila Odinga amona babwatani korwa sabumo bwo nigo baikirana ase kanisa ya AIC ime ya Kibura asensemo ya Nairobi abo ase basanga na bakristo korwa ase kanisa yo Odinga nigaburie omorembe nobotoere rukonekiwa chingaki baganyete okonacha korwa ase kigambere kenene gya Supreme igoro ya machivu yobocholi bumwakoyo.
For there to be reconciliation in this country, first truth must be known. Ukweli iko wapi? Ukweli iko wapi? If there's truth, then there will be justice. Then there will be peace. Then finally there will be reconciliation. Want Kenya to be reconciled so that we can move together as one united nation. So now you don't want to talk about issues which are before the court, because they say that is being subjudice. But we want to say that the other side should also desist from doing the same thing.
Mwaziri wejisemi Professor George Magoha niga sugetivosio chitaliki chiabaroki wa bagochora chiskuru cha junior secondary korwa chitaliki 30 cy'umutenyo 5 na 3 mwakoyo weika chitaliki 10 cy'umutenyo kianda omwakoyo ile korwa libaga asabaroki wa bonsi gochora chiskuru chiri baganetie chingaki echo nigabolire gosanya tkobaga kobolia abalimu abanene korwa ase chiskuru ao imense ya Kenya gotiga kobaselia aboroki wa school fees abo asate birobo gimanigo bokongete anene asa baiboli bali batali kwenyara.
If they have serious issues, I have officers in the ground up to the sub-county level who have been instructed to go ahead and assist them. But from what we have seen, they are not doing very badly. In the name of God, let us carry the poor among us together with us and ensure that their children are not disadvantaged at this particular time. IRD in Western does not get the children back to school. I will ask the police to take them back to school. The school is a government school. You have no right to take children home over the weekend. When they have lost so much time, they didn't even eat when they lost the 2 weeks. Iyo pesa unataka kupeleka wapi? What do you want to, what have you done with the 2 weeks that the children are not eating at school?
Ekiombe kia obachori nechimbebe IEBC geikiranirie emerobere yonsi asobachori bakorekana litkulia ankyo asejibunge inye asense ya Kenya gati ya bunge ya Rongai, Kacheliba, Pokot South na ebunge ya Kitui Rural abo asebate bire abo bisa abo bagochigutenero bachori litkulia ankyo banyolra maigelio aisaine eligo chakoge ndio bachori bwa senchira yo wasioku amo noboene.
Them on their conduct on 29th of August 2022. We're also reminding them on what is expected of them. It is just a mini GE training that was conducted the last general election during briefs. But now we are just giving them the highlights on how to conduct themselves and also small briefs on the nature of work they are going to do.
Korwa ase county ya Mombasa nigo abateneneri bekyombekyo IEBC barurege kurege tindi gocha sabana siasa bari baroberete gocha waswana na obachori bwa ankyo abwase abamenyi korwa ase county yo bagucha gochoro mo governor ase ensemeyo korengana no mo county returning officer ase ensemeyo Swaha Yusuf nigo bono atebire abanyanyimbo babekirwe asobonge abo bagucha kwaenakia bunonde tayo ogocha kobeka chiburaburu chingaki chobocholi bwelituko lya ankyo.
Ningewarai wanasiasa, ma-agent, ma-candidates wote wahakikishe kuwa hii kura itakayofanyika tarehe 29 iko peaceful, kuhakikisha kuwa hawataleta fujo katika vituo, hawatapigana katika vituo, kila mtu yajua jukumu lake. A security team have also ensured that they get enough security personnel even from outside this county to ensure that the process is.
Nense ya Kenya yainyolete rituko gose miaka 12 yesense ya Kenya enyora ekatibenya y'omwaka w'ekiri 2010 kolengana n'abamanyi b'erikiiko bakobwaterana nabalia korwase kiombe kyalo Society of Kenya nigo babolire serikali egocha goswa banyareko bagotumeka gosemero bali baranyareko bagoikirania enyareko bagekobwatia lichiko gose katiba ya Kenya. Abamanyi abo b'erikiiko nigo baraetwe n'omowakili Charles Kanjama abo batebire bunense ya Kenya yasukire bosyo kore katiba y'omwaka w'ekiri 2010 goika omwaka w'ekiri 2022.
Constitution has been implemented fairly effectively. Where we are in 2022 is very far from where we were in 2010. Public interest, there are times when in the judiciary you may have corruption and a Judicial Service Commission is involved in discipline of judges and their processes get stalled.
Take the law under as the legislator, it is put to scrutiny. The executive signs the law which is ambiguous, the court will put scrutiny to it.
Nara yu asebono asenchira yu bwenge kolende tomo chakoba ime Ndizi TV ekere kuraga ense ya maya bono botuko no cheko ya nyorajo amana yanda mange asenchira yu boikiranu amano yo minto Evelyn osero igoto baise kusuka goika chinse chio chaikire Makogoti Joseph ngochale okoletera omurobuli obwemisa encheno ekero charagire Chinsa Ikomi nemo kolende bono gendera kwegokya no morobuli obasinto bo chondo. Oleto bwaterana komo kwene kiabuna chibicha na mariogi agwikeire asenchira yobotoera rukigima nigakoro kwa John Kibati no oleto bwaterana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joushua Auta na inche nigongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi. Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi nigo bono yako nikirundekerene nego kurentera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asorogon kurbogusi neji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora aside kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo ikoye nyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV Ubwensu Bwumugusi.